Hi guys, welcome to Turkish Center channel. In this channel with my friend Muhammad, we'll teach you the Turkish language completely. We will share 2 long videos on Saturday and Tuesday and short videos on all days of the week. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's go! Lesson 6. Introducing someone in Turkish. Learn about introducing someone and introducing yourself to a person you never met. Dialog.
Hakan, tanıştırayım. Eşim Merve.
Hakan, let me introduce you. This is my wife, Merve.
Merve, merhaba. Ben Hakan.
Merve, hello, I'm Hakan.
Merhaba Hakan. Bora sizden çok bahsetti. Bora'nın hem iş hem de yakın arkadaşsınız değil mi? Tanıştığıma memnun oldum.
Hello, Hakan. Bora has talked a lot about you. You are Bora's colleague and friend, right? Nice to meet you.
Sonunda tanıştığımıza ben de memnun oldum.
Nice to finally meet you too. Lesson vocabulary.
Çok, çok.
A lot. Many.
Yakın arkadaş, yakın arkadaş.
Close friend.
Bahsetmek, bahsetmek.
To mention. To tell about something.
Son, son.
End. Final. Last.
Tanışmak, tanışmak.
To meet. To know.
İş arkadaşı, iş arkadaşı.
Colleague. Guys, lesson is over. Now, let's practice in the command. Let's practice introducing someone in Turkish.